Yeah, and welcome to Jade SOFTECH. In this session, we're going to discuss about the highlights of SAP Cloud ERP 2602, key features and innovations. This is a must for every consultant and architect as well as business leaders to understand the future prospects. Now, here we're going to go ahead and understand the basic features. So we have got this SAP ERP 2602 overview. So latest SAP S/4HANA Cloud. We got public edition. So we've got the quarterly innovations and innovation driven release focused on AI automation and compliance. Supports SAP's vision of an AI native clean core ERP designated for faster business transformation with continuous innovation. AI and Joule enhancements. We got SAP Joule embedded across business processes, natural language interaction for business users, explanation and generation of insights for transactions and KPIs, AI assisted decision making across finance, supply chain, and HR. We have got again the finance key highlights would be the advanced predictive accounting capabilities, improved compliance with global tax and statutory reporting, real-time financial insights with embedded analytics. We have got the supply chain and manufacturing updates. We have improved demand and supply planning integration using the enhanced production scheduling and execution, better inventory visibility and optimization, AI driven recommendations for supply chain decisions. In regard with procurement and sourcing enhancements, we have got improved supplier collaboration and onboarding, automated sourcing and contract management, embedded analytics for spend visibility, tighter integration with SAP Business Network. We got sales and customer management. We have got enhanced order to cash process automation, improved pricing and billing capabilities, real time customer insights, seamless integration with the SAP CX solutions. The clean core and extensibility. We have got the strict adherence to clean core principles, side by side extensibility using the SAP Business Technology Platform. We got the reduced custom code footprint, future ready upgrades with minimal disruption. In user experience as well, we have got the SAP Fiori new and enhanced SAP Fiori applications, role based intuitive user experiences, improved performance and accessibility, and consistent UX across devices. In regard with the security, compliance, and sustainability, enhanced data security and access controls, support for global regulatory compliances, sustainability reporting integration, ESG focused business process support. The business benefits faster innovation cycles with quarterly releases, lower TCO with cloud native ERP, improved business agility and scalability, AI driven insights for smarter decisions. Now, the conclusion is SAP ERP 2602 strengthens AI native ERP vision, focus on automation, clean core, and compliance, ideal for organizations targeting continuous innovation, AI future ready ERP for intelligent enterprises. I'm going to come back with more in detailed explanation about the 2602 features in hand on screen, explaining in the system, and do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to like and comment on in this video. And thank you. Have a great day and do share it with your friends as well.